In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Bluehost affiliate program. By the end, you'll have your application submitted through the official partner platform so you can start promoting once approved. First, open your browser and search for Bluehost. From the results, look for the official site and open the page about the web hosting affiliate program. On that page, click Get Started. You'll be redirected to Impact, which is the network Bluehost uses to manage affiliate applications, tracking, and payouts. On Impact, click Sign Up. You'll see Bluehost's offer and program terms. Take a moment to scan the commission details and the promotional guidelines so you understand what's allowed. When you're comfortable, check the box to confirm you've read and accepted the terms, then click Continue. Next, choose how you want to create your account. You can connect a Google account or sign up with an email. For this walkthrough, select Email and click Continue. You'll land on a short form. Enter your first name and last name exactly as you want them to appear on your account. Add your email address, ideally a business email you monitor regularly, and your mobile number with the correct country code. Your number may be used for verification and important account notices. Avoid sharing any private details publicly. Just fill them in on the secure form. When everything looks good, click Get Started. Impact will send a verification code to your email. Open that message, copy the code, return to the Sign Up tab, paste it in, and click Verify. If you don't see the email, check your spam or promotions folder and request a new code if it's expired. Now you'll be asked to categorize your business. Choose the option that best reflects how you operate. This helps the team evaluate your application. Then click Continue. Next, select the methods you use to promote, like content sites, social media, or email newsletters. Pick all that apply to you so your marketing plan is clear. Click Add Website to list where you'll promote Bluehost. On the website screen, click Add Website, then choose Add Website manually to type in your site's URL and details. If you have more than one site or channel, use Add Another to include each property you plan to use. Accuracy here speeds up reviews and reduces back and forth. When your promotional methods and websites are listed correctly, click Submit. Your application will be sent to the Bluehost team via Impact. Keep an eye on your inbox for status updates. Once approved, you'll be able to access your tracking links and start promoting. And